Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a very simple wrap. You can use any kind of meat or veggies you want. So let's see what we need. I'm using a spinach wrap. You can even use an Indian paratha or some tortilla, and also some cooked chicken nuggets, some onion, ranch dressing, black pepper, and some ketchup. So I just warmed up the wrap for about 20 seconds, and then I'm gonna add the cooked chicken nuggets, the onion, ranch dressing. You can even use mayonnaise if you want, and some ketchup, and also some black pepper, and then wrap it the way I'm showing here. After that, cut it into half and then enjoy. Thank you for being here. Until next time, have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and please leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.